guys, today we are going to make instant dahi vada in very less time. You can say it in 10 minutes only, and this is very delicious as you can see that. And in this process you don't have to soak urad dal overnight, and you don't have to apply much effort in the process, and you can have it in very less effort. So as you can see that you can garnish it, you can use any garnish item for to garnish it. So as you can see that it is very delicious and very soft dahi vada. So let's get started and take a look with the recipe. So for this I am taking urad powder here. You can buy it from any shop. Just make sure the urad powder is fresh. I'm just taking out the whole urad powder here. This is 500 gram of urad powder, and in this I'm going to add water, little water at first time, so that there are no lumps in the powder. Just take a little water and mix it with any whisk, whatever you have. Now mix it well and leave it for 15 minutes. So here is the mixture. I'm not making it fine paste for 15 minutes. I'm just keeping it aside for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes this is the consistency. And in this I'm using black pepper powder here. After that a pinch of salt, now make the fine paste by adding more water to it. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. So yeah, it's done, and keep it aside. In the meanwhile time I'm taking curd here. And in this I'm going to add some water because this is very thick curd. Now mix it well and make a fine consistency of the curd. Now in this I am taking black salt, pinch of black salt for flavor, and normal salt as per your taste. After that, a very important ingredient for dahi vada is roasted cumin powder. Now it's done. Now after that take warm water in a bowl and add a pinch of salt to it. In this water I am going to add dahi vada, which I am going to deep fry so that it becomes very soft. So prepare the water at first, and after that fry the dahi vada. So for deep frying I am taking oil here. You can take any oil, mustard oil or refined oil. And with the help of water I am greasing my hand and taking a small portion of dahi vada paste and just deep fry it. In between, you can flip it with a spatula. Deep fry it till it becomes golden brown. Now it's done. Taking out all the dahi vadas from the pan. Now take that warm water and add this dahi vada into it so that it becomes more soft. After that, wait for 3 to 4 minutes so that it becomes soft, and squeeze out these dahi vada to a pan. Now set all the dahi vadas into a pan. After that, I am adding dahi, that is curd, into it. Now this is done, and you can garnish it with any item you want, like pomegranate seeds, namkeen, any chutney, either it is sweet chutney or sour chutney. So I am garnishing it with pomegranate seeds. After that, I am adding namkeen here, that is sev namkeen, and in this I am going to add imli chutney, that is sweet and sour chutney, mixture of sweet and sour chutney. Now see that it looks more better and more tasty, and I can bet you that if you have it, it is very soft and tasty dahi vada. So go for it and try it once, and if you like the recipe, press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more updates. So till then, bye bye.